Okay, so how to make $100 every single day? Hey, with this video guys, I will show you how exactly I make $100, even more $100 every single day using very simple method that everyone can use it and everyone can make money with this system. So before I will show you this method, I will show you my proof. Let's go to PayPal, sorry, and will show you my proof from this system and how much I make in the last 1 week, 7 days, only 7 days, and I already made $1,400 using this system. Okay, so how this work? Let's log out from my account, PayPal account, and let's back to the system. Okay, basically you need a product, you need a good product, and you need a very convert sales page like this. Okay, this is the sales page. Don't worry, I will give you everything for free so you can use it for free and you can earn free PayPal cash daily using this system. Okay, so below this video you will find this link 5k.makingmoneyacademy.net, this link. Okay, if you can't find this link below this video, so you can visit this link and you will get this website. Okay, you can see very nice title and very convert video like you see here, and you can see below in the bottom you can see affiliate program. Okay, so all you have to do is click affiliate program and you will get this page. Basically you have to make an account with the payspree.com, so you can click here and make your free account, or here. Okay, if you click here you will get this page. So you have to make a free account, okay, and back to this. When you make your free account, you have to save your username. Okay, you need your username to promote your affiliate link. When you have your username, you have to back to this page, okay, to the affiliate program, and you will find here the link, the affiliate link. So all you have to do is replace your username here. So let's take this. I will show you exactly how this works. And let's put the link here. Okay, this is the link, and you have to put your Payspree username here. So you have to delete all this and type your Payspree username. Okay, so let's take this link and we will check this link. Of course, you can short this link using any shorting link solution like Google or TinyURL or Bitly. But right now I will show you how this works. Let's go to my browser and put this link so we can check it, and we will get this site, okay, this product. Okay, so you can see this product, everything is ready, so all you have to do is promote your link, okay, this link. You have to promote your link with your PageSpree username, okay. So make sure your PageSpree username here so you can promote your link and earn cash daily. Okay, so step number one, to promote your link, you can visit Facebook and join many groups. Let's go to Facebook. Okay, you can type here make money online and go to groups. Okay, there's not much. You can go to PTC. This is the best groups, and you can visit every group like this. And put your link. Okay, you can type something. You can take, let's say, this title and put like this and share it. Okay, so remember, you have to join unlimited make money online or PTC sites, PTC groups, and there is unlimited online, and you have to share your link everywhere. Okay, you can see, you can found here all you need to share your link, and there is more. All you have to do is click and share. You can go here and choose. Sorry for my internet. Okay, you get the point. Okay, you get the point. You have to share your link everywhere. This link, okay, remember this link with your user name. Okay, this was step number 2, how to share your link. Now I will show you more free traffic that you can use. You can visit free traffic, this website. I will show you. Okay, this website, freetraffic.makingmoneyacademy.net, and you will get this page. So you will find unlimited free traffic, free solo ads. For example, let's visit this website. I will show you how exactly. Of course, you have to join. It's free to join. This is a traffic exchange format, solo ads format. You can see here, send mailing. And all you have to do is get your link and put here. I have now 150 credit, and let's take your about to discover. Okay, let's take this text. Let's fix it. Okay. And we can type something like this. Need, let's say need 100 daily. Watch this free video. Okay, very nice. And that's all you have to do, and click send. Validation URL. Okay, let's back. Okay, let's short our link. Short and copy, and let's put here. Let's see if this is working right now. Okay, fantastic. Okay, and click confirm.
Okay, my friends, welcome.
Okay, that's all you have to do. Okay, remember, you have unlimited free traffic here. You have to use all of them daily. It's only 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes working online and promote your link everywhere, and you can earn free PayPal Cash daily using this fantastic system. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe for more free videos, for more tips and tricks how to make money online. Please subscribe and hit likes. Thank you again, and have a good day. Thank you very much.